Hello, my name is Elizabeth Dondinell. I'm a licensed marriage family therapist, and I'm one of the primary therapists here at East Bay Center for Anxiety Relief. And I want to welcome you. And I'm thinking if you're watching this video, you're interested in getting support for your child or teen. And I'm going to take you through a few steps on how to do that. Because here at East Bay Center for Anxiety Relief, we do work with children and teens a bit differently than most other therapies. Our assessment process, which I think is a very important part of the overall work, is three parts. There are three individual hours, and the first individual hour is working with your teen or your child who is 10 years or older with the therapist and just hanging out and getting to know them, getting a better understanding of why they think they're here in our office, what they might want to work with, and some of the struggles they might be currently having in their life, in addition to understanding who they hang out with, who their friends are, what do they think of their parents, what do they think of life in general, what are some of their values. Then the next step is that we'll have a second appointment with your child or teen, once again, children over 10, and we'll hone in a little bit more on what they might want to work on. For example, social anxiety, or possibly feeling a little bit more happier, or maybe learning how to communicate with their parents better. Really using their words and deciding and discovering what they want to work on. And we explain how we work with tools and methods and what we might do with them. And that begins the collaborative relationship between the two of us. If that connection is made, then the third hour in the parenting meeting, which is where we talk to the adults that are the most prominent parent figures in the child's life. And so preferably, we'd like to talk to both parents, or if there are more than that, that's possible too. And get an understanding from the parent, which is probably you watching this video, what you're wanting for your child or teen, what you're thinking the issues are, and what you believe they need to be working on, or that maybe perhaps you want to work on as a family. And at that point, we will also be able to let you know if your child or teen is interested. And if they are, then we'll continue working with them and have parenting meetings about every 4 to 6 weeks to help support you with their growth and their learning as a parent. And if they're not really interested, particularly in therapy, or don't really have anything to work on, and perhaps even feel like they're here because their parents are making them, then we'll also let you know that and can provide you with some guidance in parenting meetings, and we could continue to work with you as parents on how you can support your child or teen with what they're struggling with. This can be very effective and useful, and many parents like it. So either way, I'm sure that we can give you support. Now, if you have a child under 10, we do work with little ones. Except that the parenting meeting would be first, and then we meet with the smaller child in the second and third meeting, so that we can best work out a plan. And then once that plan is worked out, then you can go ahead and take the next steps if you're interested in working with us, which is there are a couple of options. You can go to our website and book a 15-minute consult with one of our therapists that do work with children and teens. Or on the website, it says get matched with a therapist, and you can click that button. And that'll take you to a form that you can fill out, letting us know what you're looking for, male or female therapist, and other needs. And we'll get back to you within 24 hours and try and match you with one of our therapists. The other thing is that if you prefer, you can call us directly at 510-748-0637 and leave a message for our office staff, and they'll get back to you as soon as they're able and set up an appointment or get further information from you. And then the last option is perhaps you're watching this video because someone referred you to us, or you know a little bit about us, or maybe we've worked with you before. you can go ahead on the website and just click the scheduling icon and go ahead and book an initial teen or child assessment with one of our therapists. Whatever option you choose, we look forward to working with you.